All right, so we're going to demonstrate app tethering. What we've got here is we have Rad Studio C++ Builder has Space Rocks open, and we're going to go over here to the Android target, and I'm going to select my Nexus 7 tablet device, and I'm going to deploy to that device. And what we're going to do is, once I deploy the app to the tablet, I'm going to compile the app again on Windows 32, and we're going to connect as a gamepad on the Nexus 7 tablet device to the kind of the server via app tethering on Windows. And then I'm going to control the Windows game from the app tethering tablet device, Android to Windows. So it's currently signing the APK file. It's installing the APK file on the device, and after that loads up, I will be able to compile to Windows. It takes a few seconds here for this to compile. Now it's going to load. All right, loaded FireMonkey, it loaded up the app. There is Space Rocks. I'm going to click over here to Windows, and I'm going to compile to Windows. And then I'm going to make sure that the app tethering server is on, and I'm going to go full screen. I'm going to go back to the main menu, and I'm going to move forward into the instruction screen. I'm going to go to the gamepad, and I'm going to connect to the Space Rocks Windows machine. And then I'm going to hit fire here. And what we have set up is each of the kind of the default buttons of a screen are tied to the fire button, so that you can use the gamepad to move through the screen. You don't have to go back to the server side version of the app to move through some of the screens with the mouse, the keyboard, or something like that. All right, so here I am. I have the tablet as the gamepad. I'm controlling it. The app is loaded up on Windows, full screen. I'm shooting at some space rocks. I'm going to use my acceleration there and get over here to this rock. So one other thing that the app does is, depending on your screen size, it just automatically resizes to fit that screen size. And so that's what. So on a full screen Windows machine like this, there's much more game real estate than on a tablet, for example. And so the game is much more spread out. So I'm just rocking around here, accelerating my rocket with the gamepad, shooting up some asteroids. If I can kill all these asteroids, I'll be able to move on to the next level. There's a bonus. I'm going to go for that. Oh, missed it. Another one. And then we've got some, here's an enemy, plaster that guy. There's a space rock over here. It runs up, I'm gonna grab it right there. Get these two. Once I get all these rocks, I'll be able to move on and destroy all these enemies flying around. We move on to the next level. And all this is using UDP via app tethering, Android to Windows. And this last guy moving on to the next level. And you saw that was level complete screen, and I pressed fire and it moved on to the next screen.